Hello everyone, this is Rakshitha.R. I'm pursuing my engineering second year of ECE branch in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to present my presentation on topic Analyze the applications of amplitude modulation in long distance radio communication systems and how does amplitude modulation facilitate the transmission of signals over large distances. Firstly, introduction to amplitude modulation in long-distance radio communication systems. Amplitude modulation is a modulation technique commonly used in long-distance radio communication systems. Amplitude modulation allows the transmission of audio signals and data over long distances by varying the amplitude of a carrier wave. The application of amplitude modulation in long-distance radio communication systems are extensive and crucial for various industries. Broadcasting and entertainment industry. Amplitude modulation is widely used for broadcasting radio signals to a large audience over long distances. It enables the transmission of music, news, sports, and other forms of entertainment. Amplitude modulation radio stations can cover vast areas, reaching remote locations where other communication methods may not be available. Aviation and air traffic control industry. Amplitude modulation is vital in aviation for long distance communication between pilots and air traffic control. It ensures reliable and clear voice communication, even in remote areas or at high altitudes. Amplitude modulation based systems are used for aircraft navigation and to transmit weather updates to pilots. Maritime communication. Amplitude modulation is widely used in maritime communication systems, enabling ships and coastal stations to communicate over long distances. It ensures effective communication for safety, navigation, and coordination purpose. Amplitude modulation based systems provide reliable voice communication and facilitate distress calls in emergency situations. Emergency communication industry. Amplitude modulation plays a crucial role in emergency communication systems, allowing long distance communication during disasters or emergencies. It enables communication between emergency responders, command centers, and affected areas. Amplitude modulation based systems provide a reliable means of communication when other infrastructure may be compromised. Military communication industry. Amplitude modulation is extensively used in military communication systems for long distance and secure communication. It enables communication between military personnel, ground stations, and airborne platforms. Amplitude modulation based systems provide resilience against jamming and interference, ensuring reliable communication in challenging environments. Next topic is amplitude modulation in long distance signal transmission. Amplitude modulation facilitates the transmission of signals over large distances by using variations in the amplitude of the carrier wave. The amplitude of the carrier wave is modified in accordance with the original signal, allowing for efficient long distance signal transmission. Advantages of amplitude modulation in long distance radio communication systems. Amplitude modulation is a well established and widely adopted modulation technique. It offers good signal quality and are relatively less affected by atmospheric conditions. Amplitude modulation based systems are cost effective and require less complex equipment compared to some other modulation techniques. Advantages are amplitude of the frequency modulated wave remains unaffected and large decrease in noise and hence increase in ratio. Noise may reduce by increasing deviation, and frequency allocation allows for a guard which reduces adjacent channel interference and operate in very high frequency. Drawbacks and solution of amplitude modulation in long distance signal transmission. Amplitude modulation is susceptible to atmospheric and man-made interference, resulting in signal degradation during transmission. To mitigate interference, signal amplifiers and filters are used to enhance the signal and reduce noise. Modern advancements such as digital signal processing have improved the overall quality and reliability of amplitude modulation transmission. At last, the conclusion is amplitude modulation is a versatile and essential modulation technique for long distance radio communication systems. Its applications in broadcasting, aviation, maritime, military, and emergency communication are crucial for various industries. The reliability, cost effectiveness, and wide availability of amplitude modulation make it an ideal choice for long distance radio communication.